Hi guys, hey, it's time to assemble a Wishbone Recycle Edition bike. So first of all I'm going to open up the box. This is how it comes, so we can get a feel for what's inside the box. First of all you'll see the instructions manual, which takes us through step by step what's involved in putting the bike together. I'll put that aside because I know what I'm doing. Obviously that's the main set of parts for the recycled bike, and the seat's placed underneath the box. I've got this box inside which has got bike grips, a little bag of important bits. What we've got here is the long axle for the trike, the headset bolt, the short axle, and finally the hardware that we're going to need, which is basically a series of, let's open it up, so we've got a series of tools and the main rotor fix bolt. And last but not least we've got 3 wheels. So I'll just put those aside and we'll use it, those will be the last things we go to today. Probably the easiest thing to do when you're assembling the bike is to start with the main junction, or the rotor fix junction, which is the centre. So what I tend to do is put the seat in first. You can see that goes into there, drops through that slot, and we've got the seat clamp that goes into there. Once you've got that in place, you can see I tend to hold it with either my forefinger or my thumb, depending if you're left or right-handed. You can come to the trailing arms. Trailing arms slots on. You can see there's a series of teeth on there which mate into the frame, so you can put that together. Put that there and just hold that together with your thumb. Now we're not being too accurate at this point, we're just trying to pull it all together. So that's on there. And then on the other side likewise, you can drop that in position there, get them too. Now you can see I've got them different angles, so obviously you want to try and keep the two so that they're in the same plane. In my bag we've got our main bolt. So what we're going to do is drop that centre bolt through there. Now that theoretically is all lined up reasonably nicely, so it should drop in like that. Flip it over the other side, we can put the capping nut into the recess that's for it, and I'm just going to do this up a couple of quick turns on the outside. I don't want it tight, but I don't want it falling apart, and we'll see why when we come back to that in a minute. So there you go, that's the main frame together. As you see with it, how I've done that there, the seat can still move a little bit, but we'll tighten that up when we're finished.